Hi everybody, welcome back to my studio. This is Diane. I'm so glad you could join me today. I have an exciting package to open. I recently found Vicki Bowman's channel. Her website is Grammy Bee's Junk Journals. And I saw this little journal and I thought it was so cute. I just had to get it. This is my first journal I've bought from another crafter. So I wanted to open it with you guys. All I've done is break the tape seal. So here we go. Let's go in. I'm so excited. So excited. Look at this. Look at that. Cute. Don't worry, be happy. I'm about to be happy. Let's look at this. Oh, that's so cute. Ooh, some more goodies in the bottom. Okay, this is awesome. Let's get the box out of the way. Okay. Thank you. Alright, let's open this little bag here. That tape doesn't want to let go. Oh my, look at all the goodies in there. All kinds of little bits and bobs. Look at this adorable little crayon box. Look, I've got a bear on the tassel. Got a yellow crayon top. Beads, yarn, some green seam binding. That is cute. Look. On the spine there's little buttons. Oh, it looks like she glued these on after she bound it. Here, let me take this lace off, which is also so cute. Oh yes, after she bound it, she glued the buttons on. Those are cute. Look, we've got some paper on the back of the box. Oh, I love this. This is adorable. Oh, so many colors. All the tabs. Oh, there's another sticker. Stuff just falling out. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, a little school bus. Oh, that's some vintagey looking paper right there. Oh my goodness. Oh, maybe that's where this came from. A little paper clip with a button. Some little stickers. Oh yeah, this is so cute. She's got little trims, lots of stickers, book pages from kids' books. Hippopotamus. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. That's the first signature. Here's the second one. Oh, we can make that one a pocket. There's a pencil. Oh, that's a little pocket. More stickers. Oh, look at that card. That's cute. Oh, Vicki, this is adorable. Look at the chicken. I love chickens. Oh, this is amazing. Love it! And some ribbons. Oh, this belongs to... There's the top of the crayon box. We can't be without that. Some little glasses. All these cute little things. Where did you find all this stuff, Vicki? These are so cool. I'll be using these in my journals. Thank you, thank you. And then she said this was some of the crayons. Yep, there's some crayons. Another little goodie bag. Look at all the little bits and bobs in there. Thank you, Vicki. I am so excited to play with all this stuff. I just can't wait to use all this. And I am very excited that I bought my first journal from you. So y'all go check out Miss Vicki's channel. She makes these adorable little Crayola box journals and well worth the price. Thanks for stopping by. I'm glad you could flip through this with me, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!